In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your tax data in TurboTax Canada using CRA Autofill My Return. To get started, open TurboTax Canada on your device and make sure you're in the return you want to work on. This feature is designed to save time by securely importing tax information that the Canada Revenue Agency already has on file for you, which can help reduce manual entry and lower the chance of mistakes. Once you're inside TurboTax, look for the Entity File section. In that area, select the option called CRA Autofill My Return. This is the tool that connects your tax return with your CRA account, so TurboTax can retrieve available slips and other tax details directly from the source. After selecting that option, TurboTax will prompt you to sign in to your CRA My account. Go ahead and log in using your CRA My account credentials. Make sure you enter your information carefully and only through the official sign-in window provided within TurboTax. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to be extra cautious and sign out completely when you're done. Once you've signed in successfully, TurboTax will begin syncing the available data from your CRA account. Depending on your internet connection and how much information is being retrieved, this may take a few moments. During this step, try not to close the program or interrupt the connection. When the sync is complete, TurboTax will pull in the tax information that is available through CRA Autofill My Return. This can include items like tax slips and other reported amounts that may already be on file with the CRA. Even though the process is automated, it's still important to review everything carefully to make sure the imported details match your records and that nothing is missing. If something doesn't appear, it may simply mean it hasn't been posted to your CRA account yet, so always compare the imported information against your own documents before moving forward. That's it. You've opened TurboTax Canada, selected Net File, and CRA Autofill My Return.